Everybody, it's Chris from Positive Choice with another virtual wellness tip. We've got Dr. Heidi Meyer back to do some myofascial release once again, so I'm going to hand it over to her for this virtual wellness tip.
Okay, so last time we talked about using the TheraBall and how you can use basically your body, the ball, and a hard surface in a little sandwich. Now we're going to talk about how to use the ground and a foam roller. So if you don't have a foam roller, get one. They're very affordable, usually less than $30. Again, any sporting goods website, Amazon.com, that's where I just got mine. And a foam roller does help with myofascial release. So the way you've probably seen most people use a foam roller is to roll out the iliotibial band, which is a cause of a lot of hip pain and also knee tendonitis. And when you use a foam roller, you want to try and put as much body weight on the part you're rolling out as possible, and you don't want to roll real fast. You want to roll slowly. If you ever have had a massage, they don't go really quickly over your muscles. They take very long, slow, deliberate strokes, and that's what you're going to do, and you're using your own body weight against the foam roller. You're going to find hot spots that hurt. Try and lay on those and breathe into them. Remember, muscles relax on the exhale, so don't hold your breath and don't just keep going, oh, that hurts. You want to go. And you want to spend about 30 seconds on each aspect of the muscle. You can roll all the way over and you can do the front and back. I also really like to hit the glute with a foam roller, and you can use either the middle of the foam roller or you can use this little edge here. If you want to get really in there, it can feel really nice. You can also roll out your low, mid, and upper back, starting by sitting on the foam roller. You can either cross your hands in front of you or do a little sit-up position to support your head. And you want to bring your arms forward and out to the side so that that allows the shoulder blades to move. And so you just let your body roll down the foam roller. And once you're down here, you can find the hot spots. And again, putting your arms in different positions opens up and exposes different muscles on the back. And again, you can really find a good spot to sit. You can use it for your calves. Again, crossing one leg over the other. Okay, you can use the tune-up ball in the same way. So again, rolling, rolling, rolling. You can use the tune-up ball on the glute, sitting on that, rolling, rolling, rolling. And then the very last thing that I love to use a foam roller for is to open up what we call the anterior chain. That's the front of our body. It spends all day long crunched up like this. So we want to open it up. So what I do is I put the bottom of the foam roller on my tailbone. You'd want a 24 to 36 inch length foam roller for this. And then you just relax back. If you have a longer foam roller, your head will stay on the foam roller. If you have neck issues, I would get a longer foam roller, about 3 feet long. If you don't have any neck issues, you can use the 2-foot length and you just relax. And here you're just hanging out. You can go to the left and right a little bit, but once you're here for a few minutes, it's very comfortable. And then of course you can always prop up your head if you have a shorter foam roller. And those are my tips for how to use a foam roller at home for self-care.